Hey guys, are you ready to use Blazor? But are your existing projects still at MVC? It's hard to justify all the time it takes to rewrite all your projects. Luckily there's a solution. In this tutorial we'll look at a way to integrate Blazor into our existing MVC projects. The first step in this process is creating a Blazor WebAssembly project in our current solution. During the creation of this project, it's important that you're using .NET 5 or higher. After we created the Blazor WebAssembly project, we want to add the reference to our existing MVC application. In the second step, we are making sure that our MVC project can support our Blazor application. To do this, we need to add a package. The package is from Microsoft ASP.NET Core Components, WebAssembly and Server. You should use the same version as you're using for your Blazor project. After we added the package, the second step is adding a few lines to our startup file. The first line we want to add is in our environment that is development. We want to make sure that we can use Blazor WebAssembly debugging. To do that, we add the line app.use WebAssembly debugging. The second line that we want to add to this file is making sure that Blazor has the required files to load. We're using the line app.use Blazor framework files. In the third step, we're going to look at our Blazor project. And here we need to make a few changes to make sure that it works with our MVC project. The first step here is going to the program.cs and removing the line builder.rootcomponents.add-app. After this, we just need to delete the index.html and the favicon. We already reached the fourth and final step. In this step, we're just gonna references our component and making sure that Blazor is loaded. To do this, we're going to our MVC project through the views, home, and then the index.cshtml. We're just creating an HTML tag called component. In here we reference the component that we want to render and the render type. We're going for WebAssembly pre-render. You could also use WebAssembly if you don't want to pre-render. The final step is to add a script tag. We need to create a new HTML with the script tag and the source lowercase framework /blazor.webassembly.js. As you can see, we use the counter component from the default Blazor app. You can see that if we press the button, the counter increases and that Blazor works. Good job guys, we just added Blazor to our existing MVC project. This allows us to render Blazor components to our MVC page without doing a complete rewrite of your project. Thank you all for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button.